Good morning, everyone. Today I wanted to talk about a new feature in the IMS. Some of you have asked. We've been using scoreboards for many years. We are a sales organization, and we really want to recognize the people that are excelling within our business model and hopefully inspire some others. So what we're doing is we're going to add a agent scoreboard to the IMS. And what it's going to look like. When you log into the IMS, it's going to look like normal, but there will be a new section at the bottom. It's going to look like this. And what we want to talk about, I'm going to go through each of these columns and rows individually. But first of all, I'd like to talk about the filters, ways that you can filter and sort this scoreboard. The first one is by time. As you can see, we have all time, yesterday, this week, which is Monday through Sunday, last week, month to date, last month, year to date, and last year. All divisions. So if you are in, let's say, Indianapolis, you're an agent in Indianapolis, and you want to see the top producing agents in Las Vegas or Charlotte, you'll be able to filter this scoreboard by division, which is pretty cool feature. What we're going to rank on are total call attempts through the IMS, total contacts made in the IMS, face-to-face meetings set in the IMS, and probably most importantly, closings, dollar volume and units. First of all, you'll see a green bar up at the top. This area displays your numbers. It'll always be fixed to the top of the scoreboard, so when you're scrolling through agents, you'll easily be able to compare or see how you stack up against someone else. You will also show up down, hopefully not too far down in the list on the scoreboard, along with your agent profile picture and your contact information. Hopefully you don't have to scroll too far to find your name. You'll notice that we have your professional photo displayed in here. If you don't remember, you can input or upload your photo by clicking on the logo in the IMS, going down to Tools, My Profile, Edit Profile, and that'll take you to a page where you can actually upload your agent photo. You also notice that you can add your LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter URLs to that profile, which show up on your agent website and in some of your emails. But we'll come back to your LinkedIn and Facebook profiles in a little bit. You can click on any agent's photo or their name, and it'll pull up a little light box that gives you, all of their contact information. Why did we put this on there? We hope that we'll have agents that will reach out to these top producers and collaborate with them. A top producer might call a top producer from one market in Charlotte, let's say, and reach out to the top producer in Vegas. And maybe you guys can exchange ideas on how to take your business to the next level. Maybe you're not at the top of the list and you want to be. In this example, reach out to Ryan, asking for a few minutes of his time. Maybe he could give you some pointers or some, tips on how to take your business, to the next level. We've always preached team, and I don't think you're going to find anybody at the top of these rankings that would not be happy to take a few minutes out of their day to help a fellow agent. The rank. This is where you and your peers rank depending on your selected filters, which we talked about a little while ago. Each of these columns, we're going to go through them. This is the total number of leads in this agent's IMS. So if you've been with us for 10 years, you may have 3,000 or 4,000 leads in your database. That shows that how many total leads you have in your database. Obviously, call attempts, the total call attempts made through the IMS, depending on the filters, the time frames. How many of those call attempts were made in the evening hours, after 6 p.m. Contacts. How many contacts did you record during the time frame of the filters? How many face-to-face meetings did you schedule in the IMS, depending on the filters that you select. And like we said, most importantly, total units closed, or your total volume, dollar volume of units closed. That will be the default sort when you log into the IMS. Will be all divisions, and it'll be based on the dollar volume of closings last month. Here's a quick video that I wanted to share. It kind of shows you how to scroll and some of the features. Once you log into the IMS, obviously you'll come to the goals page, you'll continue on, and you'll see at the bottom the data is loading. What you can do is click up at the top, and then you can scroll. It'll stop about midway through the page. You can scroll through the list of agents and their rank. You could click on an individual, pull up their contact information, click on their LinkedIn profile, if you have one set up in the IMS, or their Facebook. Reach out to some of these top producers, become friends with them. Maybe you can garnish something that they're doing that you may be able to implement in your division. Once again, you can sort and filter by Las Vegas. Maybe you want to look at Charlotte, top agents in Charlotte, Indianapolis. Once again, all time, Dave Moan, congratulations, #1 agent of all time in our company's history. And then you can sort by closings, contacts, face-to-face meetings, etc. So if you have any questions about this, please reach out to your manager or send me a quick email. So hope everybody's doing well, and that concludes the explanation on the Agent Scoreboard. Have a great day.